So today we got the new Koni front shocks. These are the left, this one's the right one for my 07 Accord. So the ones I had are kind of had it worn out. So I'm gonna be installing this today. It's gonna be a quick video. I'm just gonna throw it in. I have the grind controls, so I have to take the old ones off, put these on, and this should make the car rise a lot better. Okay, so this is the old unit that I had in the car. It starts to leak from up top here. Not sure if you can see, there's a little residue of oil that's just coming at the top. This is how I got it, so I just decided to buy a brand new shock. So now I have lifetime warranty for the car. So throw this in. This is the ground controls. 19. Since it's ground control, there's not a lot of pressure on the actual shock. When I installed these are all brand new mounts and everything. So mounts, bushing, everything was brand new about a few months ago, so it should still be good. This is the ground control pad. It started broken apparently, so got new of these. So this is the sleeve for the ground control. Basically, it rests right here on the clip. Right here, it just rests on that. So that's what keeps it secure so it doesn't move. I'm just gonna clean it up, make sure the measurement is correct. So I know what to set the left side. Right now I'm doing the passenger side. Just gotta push it down. It just snaps into place like that. And there you go, it's seated. There you go. Okay, so just so you know, when you're working on this and you have the new shock, you have to compress it a few times in order for it to be functional. So you have to push all the way down and then watch it come back up. So same as before, I'm gonna assemble the new one. This goes down. Washer goes on. Just squeeze it down. It's only 22 foot-pounds, like I said before, so you don't have to hammer it on. Here it is. As long as the numbers are the same on the shaft, as long as it counted, it should be even on both sides. So we just gotta tighten back up the wheel, put this back on, and you're done. So the next clip should be me showing you, once it's on the ground, how to tighten it, everything up, and how it's gonna feel when you go for a road test.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if